What's up, guys? In this video, we battle it out with the two-stroke go-karts. Alright guys, well, we got busted, and the spot we've been riding at, we filmed a couple videos, pretty much burnt now, so that kind of sucks. But right now we're back. We got a lot of footage, but we didn't get any like actual like head-to-head stuff, just kind of some random footage of ripping around, which was pretty good. So now we're just airing up the tires so we're kind of flat, and now we'll have some more daylight. We'll probably just go to some like developing neighborhood or something. Those are usually okay, so cool. think you guys were able to see the phone screen because it's so bright out here, but it went 32.5. Exactly 0.5 actually, so that's pretty cool. So now what we'll do is we'll hop in the other cart, do a little bit of filming, and pretty much good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a really fun video to make. It's also really hard to make this video because we can't really find a place to ride because these things are so loud together. So, hope you enjoyed the little comparison. I think the hot laps kind of showed how these things are a little bit different from each other and stuff. But we're gonna be saying goodbye to the 90s Margay racing cart in this video. So, hopefully you enjoyed it. I mean, it's not that hard to say goodbye to it because we don't really have that much of our build into it. It's just kind of something we bought, had a good find on Craigslist, got running again after it's been sitting. So, it's been really fun, but we'll have to say goodbye to this one. We'll make a couple more videos with this guy versus like our 60s cart and stuff like that. So, stay tuned for those, of course. Thank you, Go Power Sports. The gas tank on this from Go Power Sports. You can also get tires for your racing cart from Go Power Sports. The links are in the description. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Be sure to subscribe. Have a good day.